my lord, no.
I don't put anything in. I just put water in it.
Water? What the fuck? You just put water?
Yeah.
What the fuck,
Like, bro,
man?
my hair's like acting up. I just spray water on it.
Fuck up this.
Back to it. Alright, Lucas better be there, man.
Wait, do you key and that fucking Lily? Like the weird one?
Lily?
Wait, did you see the fight today?
Lily and
In the library?
Lily and Mikey.
Kiara and
In the year 9.
They're all flat.
It was like Key, Lily, and everyone.
and Alira, I think.
Oh yeah, Lyra, yeah.
And they were four.
I have those shits every day.
Oh, no, it's
That's really smart fucking ass, man.
What was
I
happening?
had them do much that says shit.
I've had them through primary school as well.
Bro, I had croissants all primary school.
Reading the group chat.
Every day
Me too,
croissant.
bro.
Now it's every
Reading the
day fucking
GC
bacon.
that. I don't think GC names. There's such a GC name.
Oh, my hair's cooked.
MGA.
Your hair.
What do you name it? You should have cut your hair shorter when you got before the parent.
I'm gonna get a haircut.
Too long.
I'm gonna get a haircut this weekend. And then I'll start using all my products.
You gotta tell them not to cut too much there, man. What if all the curls just...
Who's cutting your hair?
Oh, you know, Ez will do you good. Because he had a parent, so he won't cut much.
Isn't it Jazz coming back next Friday?
Next Friday.
Wait, how much is Ed's charge?
Why are you so fucking happy? What Charge did you me do? 20,
Fuck,
but
I'm 5 minutes break.
I think close people
Fuck,
20.
Jazz, let me suck your dick.
And then some random man shits up 35.
less.
That's nice. Like yellow.
My student boy said sorry to me.
Bro, this is best shit guys, bro. I don't fight people. I don't care, bro.
Pseudo baby. Even Marcus.
I mean, Chase just
Man, what are you doing? I was running to TV2 and I just run away.
I'll jump in. Fuck off, bitch. Jake, shut up.
Hey, fuck up.
Look, shut up.
Hey,
Wait,
Ray,
please. Stop making that noise, please.
Ray, make it work alive.
I think you're a catfish boy. Luke's a catfish boy, I swear.
Yeah,
Fuck
Lucas.
the fuck, I shot the fuck, make it live.
It's Raiders the top. You know, Raiders top one
Fuck,
catfish
make it
on
live.
picture.
At me.
Yes,
Wait, Barker,
use that
how am I
filter,
catfish?
And then the scene would like to do
The
that.
photo you said that girl. Lucas, do you see The photo you Lucas? said that girl
Yeah.
is so cool.
Yeah.
You look